Hey everybody, it's Tony Serrano, Field Marketing Manager. I'm here at Diamond Oaks Village in beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida, and today I'm going to show you a Moreto floor plan. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and it's the last one we have in the whole community. So I'm going to get right to it and show you right off of here. This is your entryway. So as soon as you walk in, you have this whole area. This is your dining room. So you have this whole space right here. You can easily fit a 36-inch round table with 4 chairs for your dining room area. And right off of that, you have some storage. So 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom living doesn't mean you give up on space. So you have all of this room here. That's right, I'm stretching all the way back and forth. Plenty of space to put all your holiday items, your luggage, cleaning items. Doesn't stop there. We have some more closet space right here. So you have a coat rack right here. So if you're still going back up north, you can go ahead and put your coats and also your vacuum cleaner and a lot of things you can put in there. Right across your dining room area, we have this big, beautiful kitchen right here. Plenty of counter space, lots of cabinets here as well too. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, those all come standard here at Diamond Oaks Village, including your microwave, your stove, your dishwasher, I promise, is right there, as well as your refrigerator. So plenty of counter space to really do some cooking and do what you need to do. And again, it opens up right over here into your living room area. So you have all this space right here for your living area. This large wall, that's where you would go ahead and put your couch. Right across here, you have your cable outlet. So you caddy corner your TV right over here, or wall mount it, which is even better. And lastly, in your main area, I don't want to forget this, more storage. So right here, you can use that for linens, you can use it as a pantry, just extra storage, plenty of cabinets and closets here in this floor plan. Also, another thing that every apartment home at Diamond Oaks Village has, washer and dryer. So here in our 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom floor plans, we have the stackable washer and dryer, and with maintenance-free living, if anything happens to those, we take care of that for you. So next, I'm gonna show you our bathroom. So follow me right over here. We'll go right into the bathroom area. So you have your vanity right there, but let's check out your walk-in shower. That's right, tile backsplash. We can add grab bars for you and that beautiful glass door, so plenty of space there. And then come back and see that beautiful vanity as well too. Plenty of space in your vanity. Put all your linens, your medicines, anything you need. And then we'll come right over here to your bedroom. Of course, you need a bedroom, and you have this nice large wall here, easily fit a queen bed, 2 nightstands, long wall right over here. This is where you're gonna get your dresser right there. Of course, you need a closet to put all of your clothes. Right here, you have a nice walk-in closet, really good space here. Plenty of space to put some shoe racks down here as well too, to get all of your things. But finally, we're gonna end it out with your outdoor space. That's right. Every floor plan here comes with a screened-in lanai, so you have your little slice of Florida right over here. Once again, it is the Moreto floor plan. So it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It is the absolute last one we have here in the community. Make sure to call the number below, get a tour with Leah, or go to diamondoaksvillage.com and you can put in your application today. That's the best way to lock it up. We'll see you next time. I hope you have a great day.